Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to our today's class. Students, in previous class, what have we learned? Do you remember? What are the elements of environment? Yes, students, our elements of environment are soil, air, light, water, these. And in previous class, we have learned about the causes of our environmental problem. And today, we will know about the effects of our environmental problem. We know about our environmental problem already. That was our environment has loosened her balance. But what are the effects on our life? At first, increasing temperature. For losing our environmental balance, our temperature day by day increasing. That's why various disasters are coming to our environment like flood, drought, cyclone and tsunami. And excessive rainfall. For increasing temperature, our ice are melting and our rain are increasing, and when rain are increasing, the river bank become damaged and we face river erosion and our land are become damaged, and that time our land are become eroded. Land erosion normally held in the hill area and river erosion normally held in the riverside area. Land erosion and river erosion are not seen in the city area. After that, various diseases. We have faced various diseases for the environmental problem. What type of diseases? Like cancer, skin diseases and some allergies we have faced. After that, extinction of aquatic biodiversity. Aquatic means our water which animals are live in a plant. They are called aquatic plant and they are extincted day by day. For water pollution, our aquatic animals are destroyed, and beside it, our birds, animals, our plants are also destroyed for our pollution. Making holes in the ozone layer in the space. We know already our temperature is increasing day by day, and that's why in our ozone layer get a hole. And we know ozone layer protect us from the ultraviolet ray of the sun. And when a hole is created, the ultraviolet ray of the sun is entrance into our world directly, and this is very dangerous for our human life. These all are the effects of our environmental problem. You may think now, what is biodiversity? Do you know about the biodiversity? Biodiversity means the way in which diverse living beings live in nature is plainly called biodiversity. Here, diverse living means our men, animals, birds, fishes, they are live together on their own way. That is called biodiversity. Students, we have known about the effects of the environmental problem. But do you think, what is our future condition? What will be our future environment? At present, we are in a comfort and luxurious life. And for our luxurious life, we have high our temperature. And when our temperature become high, our earth has warmed. That means global warming has been started. And after that, when global warming is started, the ice are melting. And when the ice are starting melt, that time our sea level is rising. and when our sea level is rising, our low-lying areas will be submerged. And our low-lying areas like Maldives, Bangladesh, that type of countries will be submerged. And these are a very harmful effect of for our environmental problem in our future life. Students, for solve this type of problems, we have make a action plan for Bangladesh. So how can we prevent our environmental problem? At first, we not cutting down trees unnecessarily. If it's needed, then we cut the trees. Second, not release etc. here and there. For release etc., we are fixed a specific place. Then, not spit on roads. We know our maximum environmental problem are causes for the pollution. So if we not polluted our environment, that type of problems are we have not faced. Conscious about using black smoke. In our modern life, we have we always use black smoke in using car, vehicles, mills and factories, and it is very need for our economic life. But if we are conscious about for using it, not throw water waste, not throw waste in river, canal or here and there. We throw the waste in a specific place and plant more trees. When we plant more trees, our environment become cool and our global warming has not started. And when our environment become cool, and that time our environmental problem are day by day decreasing, and we will get a fresh and fresh environment. And that are the action plan for our for protect our environmental problem. Students, we have finished our this chapter 9. Please solve the worksheet which are given in your website and send me to my email. Thank you very much, students.